Hello guys, it is me, Charlie Joseph Matthews, and it has been so long since I have uploaded a video that I thought, do you know what, let's get back into it for this next year. My New Year's resolution is actually going to be to do some more videos. So I'm just going to start off today with just a computer tip. I just want to get back into doing videos, and then you will be soon able to see my beautiful face. Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can change any information on a web page that you want. So you can choose either Google or any other website that you want on Google Chrome. This will only work on Google Chrome. That is a note that I would like to point out there. So I'm actually on google.com here. This is actually a site, so I can do anything on here. MFF, boom, 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 like that, and it will come up. So this is actually the Google website. As you can see there, it's google.com anyway. So that's absolutely fine. So let's get into this. So this is So these here are all clickable links. So if you click there, it'll go to your Gmail. If you click there, it'll go to Google Images. If you click on these, it'll go to About and the Store. But we don't want to do any of that. We want to actually right-click on there. So if we go to any of these, just right-click, and then at the bottom there you see Inspect. Now there is a shortcut to doing this. You can either do Inspect or you can do CTRL Shift and I. Either work. I like to do CTRL Shift and I because it opens straight up. So it will come up with this here, and it will flash on all of these. So these tiny little things here, these are called tabs. So if you were to click on if you were to just hover your mouse over these, then it would highlight the thing that you would change. So now we're actually on the Inspect. What we're going to do is we're going to so the Inspect thing is open. What we're going to do is we're going to right click and click Inspect, and it will open it up there. So here we have this thing here. It looks really, really complicated, but it actually isn't. So this is actually the code that goes into actually making that say store. So you can change this at any point, or you can change it to say whatever you want. So for example, if I was to go onto the Google search thing here, and I was to click Inspect, then what you could do here is, you know how it says the speech marks there? You can change that to say, Charlie is great. And it will change it to there. So we can close that Inspect thing, and it will say Charlie is great, or I'm feeling lucky. So if I go onto there, click Inspect, it will open right up. Change that, and it will say, I'm feeling unlucky. Okay? And you can basically change anything you want on here. So down on the bottom here, on the United Kingdom, yep, you can change that to say, I don't know, Fairy Wonderland or something. However, there is always a catch with this, because there is no possible way, just like this, using the Inspect feature in Google Chrome, that you can actually change the website for good. Because as soon as you refresh this, that will go. So you can change the information on the website, but the catch is that you won't be able to change it on the full website online. You can only change it for your version. There is also a way to actually change images on a site. So if I was to go on to, let's say, my dad's website, GI Percussion, which you should check out. It's a pretty old website. They do drums and things. So what you can do is you can actually change the image of a website as well. So let's go onto Images, Google Images here, and let's just type in just a random thing. Let's go with sun. Okay, so let's get a picture of a sun. Of the sun. We can just save that. No, we don't save that, for example. No, we don't. We right click it, we click Inspect, and it comes up with this thing here. So this is the code for that specific picture. We can actually copy, close that, inspect this, get the code off there, delete that code, paste in the other code, and then hit there. And it actually puts that photo onto that website. You can do the same with this as well. So if I was to get a picture of Ronnie O'Sullivan, my idol, Ronnie O'Sullivan, so we can just get a, well, very handsome picture of him there. Not. In fact, yeah, let's pick a different one. So if I get one, for example, that one, I can save that if I want, but you could inspect, get the code, doesn't want to do it, close that, open this, inspect. This will probably look a bit different on here because it's a bit weird size. Yeah, so it does look a bit weird, but that is how you change the picture on any website that you want. But again, if you were to refresh it, it would go back to the way it is. There is a way to actually change the pictures and text on an actual website, on the full website, but it does require, to be honest, I've got no idea how to do it. But you are able to change it on your computer. So if you were to do, everybody, please check out Charlie Matthews on YouTube, then you'd be able to do that, like that. So it does it there. Everyone please check out Charlie Matthews on YouTube. But as soon as you refresh, it goes. So you get the idea of it on there. Guys, thank you for watching this video. This is just a quick video to just get me back into the schedule of actually doing videos. I'm not actually going to promise that I'm going to be doing a video every 3 days, because as you probably know, that isn't going to happen. But soon I will be getting back into the swing of things and getting on with my YouTube. Guys, I just want to give you a quick update on mine here, my channel here. I just want to give you a quick update on this Instagram video. So the Instagram video is actually down here, and it's still rising, guys. It's on 62,219 views. Thank you to everyone who has commented on here. So great job, Charlie. You answered my question about size ratios. Thank you very much. Christopher Rogers, Andy Morales. This video is so helpful, and like and sub. Thank you very much for doing that, guys. Thank you. All of those. So if you do comment on here, then I will see it and I will like it, or I will comment back if you have any questions. So again, that is on 62,000, but I actually made one, how to DM on Instagram, on a computer, and that's got 34,000. So it's actually, it must be something about Instagram, guys, that you like. So if you did like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any questions on the inspect thing, then please leave a comment. So thank you for watching this video. Please check out my website, which is charliematthews.co.uk. Still up and running there. So if you want any more information on me, or my channel, or anything else on there, then please go and check that out. Okay, I will see you soon. See you later, guys.